Hi guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the rear differential fluid on this 2010 Honda Pilot. This is everything you're going to need to do this job. You're going to need this fluid straight from Honda VTM-4. It's about 30 bucks for the gallon. You're only going to need about 3 quarts. You're going to need a 3/8 ratchet extension and a pump to pump this fluid out and into the differential. Okay. Alright, we're at the back of the car. And I'm going to show you what you need to take off. Give me a second. This is your spare tire back here. And then you're going to go right under here. This is your differential. Okay. And you're going to want to take off. This is the drain plug. And this is the fill plug up here. Okay. So all you gotta do is put your wrench on it, like that. Anyway. And I'm gonna need 2 hands to do this. So, okay. Alright, that broke loose. Okay. Now I'm gonna try to do the one on top too, just to make sure this breaks loose too. Alright, so that's good. Alright, now let's get a drain pan and take that plug off. So this is the you got your fill plug and a washer, and you have your drain plug. And this has like a magnet there. Make sure you clean this, and the washer for that. If you can, try to get new washers. This is still draining there. That's pretty much almost done. All right. Put the drain plug back in, don't forget the washer. Alright, we're going to tighten that up and then pump the fluid. Okay, we got the fluid, we got the pump, you got your line. I ran it through there, it comes out on the other side. So all you gotta do is start pumping. See the fluid going. Now you're gonna pump this in until it starts dripping out. Once it starts dripping out, then you're done. You just put the plug back in and you're done. Okay guys, that's it. That's all that's to it. It's a pretty easy job. The dealer wanted $119 plus tax to do this job. You could do it yourself and save yourself a few bucks. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care. Bye.